Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Carrie Scarf from Audiology Innovations. I know that these are challenging times for everyone right now. As a hearing care provider, I also know that being able to hear accurate information from government agencies and care providers is essential for your health and safety. And perhaps most importantly, hearing family members and friends is an important part of keeping closely connected to those we care about during these uncertain times. We continue to be here for you. Our audiology clinic remains open to provide support to our patients as best we can. We have a number of ways to provide you with service while respecting government guidelines through telephone support, email, remote support, drop-offs, and urgent care. Please reach out to us in the manner that is easiest for you to discuss how we can make a plan to care for you during this time. Our phone number is 403-252-4722, and our email is info@audiologyinnovations.ca. Our hours of operation are currently Monday through Thursday, 9 to 4, and will be determined moving forward. Continue to check back on our website for any changes. We will get through this together. Stay healthy and be well. Thank you.